Okay, everybody, welcome to another video. So, if you follow my channel, you have seen or you will see a video that I've done on this car, coding this module here. I had to replace the module, that's the old board, but I've never really recorded it. Anyway, moving forward, another issue that this car came with, I'm going to show you, is the following. So if I lock the car, well, actually I can do that with the interior button. So if I lock the car, obviously it locks and unlocks. If I lock the car, that door doesn't work. It does the same with the remote. It just doesn't lock or unlock. Now you can't really hear it, but there is a noise coming from inside the door. So when I press either with the key, when I press the lock or unlock, there is a noise coming from inside the door. But obviously the pin doesn't go up or down, and the door does not lock. So if I lock the door will open from inside or outside. If I unlock the door, if I lock the door with the remote, same thing. If I do this, oh, sorry about that. If I lock it there, the door locks. So if I try to open the door from the outside, the door will not open. But when I press this, it stays down. Okay. So, because there's a noise coming from inside the door, I'm gonna guess that's gonna be something with that lock inside, with that actuator. And the first thing we're gonna do, obviously, is gonna take this door card out and have a look at it. By the way, I forgot to mention the car. The car is a BMW 7 Series 2010, and this is the F02. Obviously it will be the same for the F01. So this is the car, and that's gonna take the panel off. Okay, I'm gonna take you through the process of removing this the panel. The first thing you do, using one of these tools, you start to pull these away in here. Okay, just pull it out. Then you separate this from the top like this, and then right there, I took it off now. I'm gonna show you where it is. Hang on. There is a plastic pin right there. You can't see it now because I removed it, but right there at the bottom, where this screwdriver is, there's a plastic pin, and you just push this pin down, and then the pin will come out right here. Then obviously with the pliers you just pull it out, and then this just comes out like this. Okay, that's how it comes off. And now we revealed the screws, okay, up here, and we're going to take these off. Now here you have one screw here, one here, which I removed already, so you can take the handle off and disconnect the cable. Okay, next we're going to take this triangle speaker here. Just prime the tool in there, in this side, just wedge this, start to pull it out, and this will come off, and you have this plug, and you can take this off. Okay, the next thing you do, there's no rocket science, it's all clips. All you do is just get your hands at that panel, start to pull it off, and you will come out. Okay, so I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it, but I'm gonna try. Don't know if you can hear it. Obviously the lock here, the latch is closed, so he should be locking and unlocking, but he's not doing it. So I think I'm gonna have to take the lock off. Okay, I'm a little bit ahead. So you have 3 screws here, or 3 nuts for the soft closing motor. Although the soft closing doors on this car, they are not working for some reason. Well, different matter. And I have 1 bolt here, and you have 2 here, 1 here and 1 here, and we're gonna try to take all these off. Okay, let me see if I can show you what was wrong. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but this motor here, I've opened the motor obviously to take the cog, the screw here, but this motor basically was gone, completely gone. So what I've done is I found a motor. It's not exactly the same, and you're gonna see it's not the same. So this motor here, these 2 holes here was the contacts. So it was 2 blades right here facing up, and the motor would just go like this in there, yeah, like this. Now this motor, the shaft was slightly short, so I put the screw on the top of this, at the end of the shaft of the motor. Then I put another bit of shaft on the other end to make a long shaft basically. Then I bent the 2 blades underneath, and I put 2 wires all the way up here, as you can see. And I'm going to show you. Oh dear. Let me show you this somehow. Let me put the camera. So I think you might be able to see. Connect this here. We get the key. I don't know. Well, I hope you can see it. So this is the lock. This is all the way. Hang on, guys. Let's see if I can pull this backwards now. Okay, I hope you can see it. Oops. Okay. Sorry, I know because this is not in place, and these cogs, they just jump up, and obviously it just turns completely. But we're gonna put everything back on in place now, and then I'll show you this working in the end. Okay, so I put it all together now. I just wanted to look at this white lever here. This is where the locking pin attaches, and I'm going to lock and unlock the car. Obviously I've tried many times before, and it's absolutely spot on. So just put everything back together now, put the lock back on the door and all that, and then do a final test. But it seems that we fixed the problem. Okay, so everything is put back together now, so the door is all done, and we're gonna now try it. And as you can see, it's working absolutely fine from the key and from the button. And that's it for this video. If it fails again, it's gonna have to be another lock, but at least we save some money by repairing the lock. I do agree that the easiest way would be just put another lock 100%. But like I said already, you know me, I always try to fix things, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope there's some sort of information here that you might find it useful. If you have any questions, any comments, please put them below. And like always, thank you for watching.